So when we strip, we take off the old wax, debris, dirt. We leave the floors raw with nothing on. And then we put sealer on. It depends on the floor, if it's VCT, epoxy, it depends on all of that. But we usually put sealer, and then it depends on the client how many coats of wax they're gonna want. There's some people that want 7, 8, and it looks like a mirror. You can see the ceiling on the floor. It looks like a mirror. Or we can do 3 to 4 coats every 6 months is what I usually tell them, depending also on the traffic way that we have them. So I think the best method is a flat mop, which it's better because it's a thinner layer and it can dry faster, and we could speed up the process to put more layers in less time. So I think that's one of the best process we have right now. I've seen a lot in these buildings when they're not cautious and they drag the chairs around or the desks around the strip, you're gonna like dig into it or cut into it, and you're gonna mess up your floors. That's one thing to be careful with that. And then another, to be mopped nightly, mostly just with hot water, no chemicals, nothing like that, because there is chemicals that are called like sweet, which are the ones like lemon, lavender, things that are like more sweeter, and they're called citric. The ones that are citric also are a little harsh for the wax, and they can look dull 2 to 3 months after that. If you mop consistently with those kind of chemicals, they're gonna look dull, and you're not gonna be happy with it.